Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. This legendary stadium is changing fast, and today we're going to show you several developments that are truly impressive. From massive beams to key areas preparing for the next phase, Camp Nou is taking shape right in front of us. You'll see what's happening now, what's nearly complete, and a clear glimpse of what's coming next. So stay with us, because this transformation is becoming more spectacular with every single day. At the corner, new slats have been placed, but the crane isn't active today. With the Champions League match tomorrow and UEFA restrictions, we likely won't see slats installed until Thursday. Materials are stored in the fenced area, ready for when work resumes. In the lateral area, a new structure has been installed, preparing for the third piece of the compression ring. This structure is ready, and we'll see if it gets raised this week. There's still a lot to see in the stadium this year. Work continues across different sectors, from slats to beams and compression rings. We'll keep tracking progress, and I'm excited to see the completed sections in the coming weeks. Parking entrance and beam formwork has been set up where the wall was cut, ready for concrete to level the parking entrance. Nearby, a worker is painting a beam with a roller, while at least 3 other workers handle various structural tasks inside the scaffolding. Slats remain stacked, awaiting placement in Gol Norte or Gol Sur corners. Most lateral slats are already installed, except for 2 missing pieces between sectors. An aerial platform is active near a pillar, with additional movement on the second level of the overhang. Cranes are positioned nearby, ready for slat placement. The third pillar for the compression ring has been raised, with scaffolding in place on the left side. But several workers are preparing this pillar for installation. The beam near us is confirmed as a radial beam, supporting future roof beams. Workers on aerial platforms are moving temporary safety barriers and preparing for additional structures. 3 large beams are stored nearby, awaiting installation. Supports for slats are installed in several sections, though some diagonal supports remain missing in lower brackets. Machinery moves through Gol Norte, while workers continue interior tasks on scaffolding. Activity in Gol Norte is moderate. Several aerial platforms remain stored due to the upcoming Champions League match. Glass panels have been raised for VIP in upper areas, but additional panels are still pending. Movement here is much higher than in the stands. Moving to Gol Sur, an aerial platform is painting one of the beams white. Vertical supports for the slats haven't been installed yet, but the beam work should finish soon. Supports in this area are closer together than in other sections of the stadium, like Gol Norte or the lateral area. Some unions for the diagonal support still need installation. A concrete pump is working nearby, pouring concrete. Some anchors are missing, but work is progressing steadily inside the structures. The Tribuna area currently presents a calm and controlled working environment. Only a few workers are visible, with most machinery remaining inactive at this stage. The middle wall is still unpainted, but it should be painted black later this week. The wooden boards on the shop terrace have mostly been removed. There's very little machinery now, but at least 1 crane is visible. Let's move toward the other diamond to see the changes there. The glass panels here haven't been installed for several days. The stacked glass remains in place, waiting to be mounted. A few panels are in the corner near the column. Ventilation fans and metalwork are stored here, and workers are moving safety barriers to prevent them from falling. There's a concrete mixer and a tower crane nearby, and several workers are active in the interior. Camp Nou is looking more spectacular than ever, taking shape day by day. Stay with us to catch every update and witness this amazing construction journey unfold. This concludes today's full update from Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.